Ready? All right, so a bird dog. It's a lot like a hydrant, and it's gonna work your hip girdle all the way through. I keep my knee at 90, I kick up, I bring my knee to the side, and then down. Up, side, down. You wanna keep your hips square. So you'll notice I'm not dipping and diving anywhere. I'm here, out to the side, down. Bird dogs.